So today I'm going to be doing a house tour for our housing on Kadena Air Base. I noticed when moving here there was not any updated or like super recent videos of the housing, and a lot of it has been renovated since those videos. And I live in one of the newer housing areas, I think, and I don't think there's any videos on YouTube of this specific housing. I'm gonna show you what you might get. We live in a 2-bedroom, 1 office, 1 bathroom. The office is big enough to fit a crib in, or a twin bed, or even a queen bed. But yeah, so if you're here because you're moving here, here's a house you might be offered. And if you're not moving here and you just want to see my house, welcome to my house. So here's where you walk in at. This is the entryway. You've got a closet, infamous hospital/school tile, great. So yeah, there's the entryway, and then to the left, here is the laundry room. That actually covers up this giant like fuse box kind of thing, you know, that controls the power and stuff. So there's an idea how to cover that. This is just the laundry room. Of course you do get a washer and dryer, and then there's shelving back there, but I'm not going to show you that because it's a mess. If you turn this way, you see the living room. People set up their living rooms all different. This is how we have ours set up. We've changed it a few times throughout the years, but this is my favorite setup so far. At least in our house, it's a pretty big living room. Definitely have enough space. And then if you walk down here, there is the office up here. We are currently using this space as an office. We have put a queen bed in here, so I can tell you it does fit. So here's my little vanity, and here is my desk. So leaving the living area, you have the kitchen. It's a pretty big kitchen. Again, we've got the nasty school/hospital tile that is impossible to clean. And then here's what the kitchen looks like, a little overview. And then you've got your fridge and the pantries over there. Backsplash as well. These are just like stickers, and I didn't finish them over there. But yeah, so there's the kitchen. Also ignore these dishes. They're clean, they just need to be put away. And then here is my little fish tank. Gonna have to get rid of these guys soon, pretty sad. We've had them like for a year. Then leaving the kitchen, you've got another hallway which has the bedrooms and the bathroom. We'll go into our master, I say air quotations because there's not actually a master bedroom in this house. They're both the same. Here is our bedroom. We've currently got a queen size bed in here. King would probably fit. You just like, might be like your nightstands, might be wall to wall. It's honestly a really rather small like master bedroom. So this is our bedroom. And if you come down this hallway, sorry y'all, it's kind of dark in here, and it's kind of raining outside today, so it's a little crappy lighting. In the middle of the 2 bedrooms, you have the bathroom, pretty basic bathroom. It's a decent size, I guess. It does have like the Jack and Jill sinks or whatever, so that's really nice. There's what the bathroom looks like. And then here is the 2nd bedroom. This bedroom for me, I use it as a photography studio for my boudoir shoots because most people would rather have like a specific video set rather than like in their own house, and I totally get that because, you know, not especially here, not everybody has like the most aesthetic house. I also use it as a guest bedroom, but we've only ever had one guest. So there's my house tour, Kadena Air Base. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope if you're moving here, this helped you. Honestly, I know I did talk about the cons because I want to be realistic with you, you know, that the bedroom is rather small, like, you know, the tile isn't the best, but at the end of the day, that's how military housing is. I'm not complaining for anybody who's not military who might not understand. It's not me complaining at all. Like, I'm very grateful that we're so young and able to have a house, but I just want to be realistic with you. You know, you don't really have a choice, so it is what it is. I've enjoyed our house for the last 3 years, but I am very, very excited to be able to live off base. So yeah, also, if you're moving to Okinawa, if you didn't know, you don't get to choose whether or not you live on base or off base. They basically tell you. So if you live on base, we got 2 housing options that were almost identical houses, just on a different base. But yeah, so you don't really get to pick whether you live on or off base. It's just dependent on if they have availability on base. So yeah, but I don't think it's that bad. Like, I know people really trash base housing and like say that it's awful, but we've had a pretty good experience living in base housing. I don't think it's that bad. I think it's pretty decent. So I might do another house tour once it's empty, but that'll be a few months from now. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and have a good day. Bye.
We got everything we need right here.